Hey everyone, how are you? My name is Kieran Hogg, and today I'm going to do a review on Octagon. We're going to discuss what it is, some of the features and tools that it offers. I have access reviews, so we're going to do a deep dive into some of those things. Also, I've got lots of bonuses to share with you. The vendor's got bonuses as well. So without further ado, let's get into it, and I'll see you soon. Hi guys. So what is Octagon? Basically, Octagon is a cloud-based system. You don't need any website. There's no hosting. It's all done for you and it's automatic. There's templates and lots of great things inside. The launchers are Jake Galbraith and Akunkumi. So let's take a little bit more of a closer look and see what Octagon is. It says using free traffic. Okay, so automated, done for you ClickBank and WarriorPlus affiliate review sites generates $260 per day on autopilot. So Octagon focuses primarily on WarriorPlus and ClickBank. Okay, so we're going to get into more of this, all the features, the things that might be able to help you gain more traffic and more sales. But first, I want to show you the bonuses that I'm going to be offering and also the vendor is going to be offering as well. So the first bonus is called Access Jono's YouTube Ads Course. Okay, so this bonus is going to walk you through using YouTube's advertising platform to make money. So if you just follow the steps that are inside here, you can generate money as well. It's very simple. This is all laid out for you and it's on autopilot after that. Okay. The second bonus with value, so this bonus was a value of $427.95. Number two, a value of $46.95. This is learn how to master ClickBank. So as you know, Octagon focuses on WarriorPlus and ClickBank. So this is going to give you some more tips on how to use ClickBank, maybe some of the secrets that you might not know otherwise. And it's just going to walk you through very simply how to do that, okay? Number three, with a value of $344.95, is legally use others' videos. Okay, so there's a lot of content on YouTube, and sometimes if we try to use somebody's song or somebody's video, we get flagged, right? And all of our good content that went into it, nobody can see it. So this is just going to show you how to legally get around that. There's a few little hacks and tips so you can use other people's videos. So if you're a little nervous of being in front of the camera or you just don't want to be in front of the camera at all, this is a great solution for you. You can still build your brand, you can still get more traffic that can lead to more sales, and you don't even have to be in front, and it's all legal, okay? So you can see these red tabs here. Any one of these red tabs will take you to the bonus access page. I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, bonus number 4, how to make an email capture. So one of the important things about affiliate marketing is getting somebody's email, their email address. Once you have that, you can directly brand to them and it's much easier to generate sales. So this is going to show you a case study, how three different funnels were made, and we'll see which ones work better than the other ones, and it will show you exactly step by step how to make your own. And you can do the same as well. You can do, once you have more than one, you can see which one works better for you, and it's all done step by step for you. Very, very simple. Okay, and bonus number 5 at a value of $197 are the vendor bonuses. I'm going to get into that a little bit later as we do a deep dive into what Octagon is. So let's find out a little bit more about Octagon. Okay, so what is Octagon all about? Clone our profitable traffic pulling done for you ClickBank and WarriorPlus review sites and done for you funnels in one click. Start earning commissions from Clickbank and WarriorPlus without doing any manual work. So like I said, this is all done for you automatically. You just choose what you want, click it, it'll download it for you, and then you can upload it later by you can make it personalized by putting in your information, your colors, your name, etc. It's very, very simple. So done for you Clickbank plus WarriorPlus review sites. Done for you funnels, create unlimited traffic campaigns. Done for you irresistible bonuses loaded up for users to deploy. Automatically generated delivery pages for seamless bonus delivery. 100% cloud-based, no installation required, zero technical skills needed, complete system with no monthly annual fees. So if you're a newbie or you've just been struggling to kind of get the ball rolling, generate some traffic and sales, this is very simple for anyone. Doesn't matter your technical background, and like I said, you're able to use Clickbank reviews and WarriorPlus reviews, download them very, very quickly, and then use them as yours. Okay, so let's go into the prices here. So just the front end price for Octagon is $17, okay? And that is just the powerful Octagon software and training modules. Okay, the upsell number 1 is Octagon Pro at $27. This allows you to get access to 8 different Clickbank product review campaigns for maximum traffic and sales, including high ticket Clickbank product review. Upsell number 2, done for you turbo campaigns at $97 with a downsell of $67. So you will get sent 2 done for you campaigns each and every week. These include done for you bonus pages with review video, product demo, and 5 custom bonuses delivered for you each time over a period of 365 days. You will need to have Commission Gorilla, but if you want to be doing this eventually anyways, Commission Gorilla is a good software to have. So this is completely done for you, automated, twice a week for a whole year. You're going to have different looking done for you bonus pages. Upsell number 3, the Octagon Launchpad Agency at $197. Launch Octagon as your own product. Own, rebrand, and fully customize Octagon. Our team will work with you to put Octagon on your hosting with a complete product name, logo, branding of your choice. So now you can advertise to other affiliate marketers who will pay you, and you can generate bonus pages for them, done for you funnels, done for you everything. So you can build a side business helping other affiliate marketers and make money at the same time helping them. Upsell number 4 is Octagon Reseller at $97 front end, high end, $67 the downsell. Enjoy commissions across the entire funnel of Octagon, 0 to 1,000, and accelerate. We take care of support for you. Just enjoy total profits across our high converting funnels. Again, so this upsell, all automated for you. You just pay the money and then they'll do all the work. All right, here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. So 100% cloud-based, no installation required. That was mentioned. 0 technical skills needed again. So if you are technically a little bit not so savvy or you're just new breaking into the market, this is definitely something you should consider. Works anywhere across the world. Create unlimited campaigns, 100% done for you giveaways, free traffic training included, complete system with no monthly fees, proven, battle tested to make money, and guys, there is a 30-day guarantee, no questions, money back guarantee. So you can always try this, and for some reason, if it doesn't work, you can get your money back as well. Okay, so now let's take a look at Octagon and see what some of the features are. So you can see Octagon is very nicely laid out. It's very clean. So up here you've got your campaigns, your done for you campaigns, you've got your page views, you've got my campaigns, and you've got total subscribers. Now down here, your profile, what you'd want to do obviously. You put your website title here, and your ClickBank affiliate ID would have to go in here. Some information about yourself, your business, your own photo, and then you're off. You're good to go. So here are some done for you campaigns. So these have already been copied for you. As you can see, it says already copied. If we want to view it, just click on here, and you can see this is all done, ready to use, okay? And if you want to promote, you can just click on these, and it's going to go to these various websites as well. So you can build some exposure, some traffic, okay? So there's a bunch down here. Continue down here. And here are some more. So we want to view that. All right. So as you can see, all automated, just a click for you. Get your affiliate link, type that in there. You want to promote, again. So you can see, very simple, click, click, click. Some done for you funnels. All right. So again, if you're a newbie or you're very busy, this kind of stuff takes you a long time for whatever reason, now it's all done for you. You can just pick which one you want. Go to leads. This is your email list, okay, so you can send these out. Your banner, so you can change this, you can add, you can edit. Okay, now here are some campaigns. So if we want to copy, again, it's already done for you. If you want to edit, it's right here, preview it, you can take a look. Again. And of course, if you want to promote it, 1, 2, 3, 4, boom. And here's some training videos as well, help you get more familiar with some of the applications. And here are the vendors bonuses. So these are Jake's and Akunkumi's bonuses. So bonus number 1 is create your own WordPress website. So it's going to show you step by step how you can do that. Bonus number 2, how to make money on Fiverr. So some of those upsells that we talked about in my bonuses, you can use that information and you can actually you can start to sell services on Fiverr. Also, some of the upsells that they have, that Jake and Akunkumi have in Octagon, you can help do that as well. ClickBank marketing secrets. So you're going to learn a little bit more about ClickBank because ClickBank is one of the key applications that is being used for Octagon. So you're going to learn some of the tips and tricks about ClickBank. Free traffic sources to drive targeted visitors to your affiliate offers. Okay, so it's all about getting more eyes on your product, on what you're doing, your services. This is going to help you learn some key ways to do that. Okay, bonus number 5, exclusive mastermind Facebook group. So this is going to allow you to talk about ideas that you have, also get one-on-one training, you're going to get some advice if you're stuck on anything, and it's probably just a good group to surround yourself with, just to show, especially if you're floundering a little bit, you're kind of losing confidence, having some people that are actually getting success and sales, it's going to fire you up as well. So I think that might be a pretty handy bonus to have as well. Okay, everyone. So just once again, if this is a product that you think can help you, if you click on any of these red tabs here, it's going to take you to the bonus, and you'll be able to grab all my bonuses, also the vendor bonus. Okay, I'm going to have the link in the bottom of my YouTube description for you to just click on this. Okay, there's also, if you want to watch a quick demo video, it's also going to be down in my description as well. I want to thank you all for taking the time to listen to my review on Octagon. I hope you learned something from it, and if you did, I would really appreciate it if you went through my link to purchase this product. And please like, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. I will do my best to give you a detailed answer. And thanks again. This is Kieran Hogg with review of Octagon. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.